Are you looking for more information on egress windows? Maybe you're looking at having one installed in your basement, but your number one question is how much is it going to cost? In this video, we're going to tackle what it costs to have an egress window installed inside your basement. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. Are you getting an egress window installed in your basement? If so, you're probably wondering exactly how much is that going to cost. We're going to discuss how much egress windows cost in this video. So when you're installing an egress window, there's a few things that go into the cost of the egress window. Number one is what the foundation walls, if they're block or poured concrete. If it's poured, it's going to take a little bit more work. It's going to be a little bit harder to cut that, to put that window in, just because it's strictly harder concrete. The other thing to consider is, can you get a mini excavator or a machine back to the location that you're wanting to put that egress window in so that it can be dug with a machine or it's handheld. Like we talked about in the past videos, that these are massively important just for safety and increasing your home square footage. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gave you more of an idea of exactly how much egress windows can cost. For more information, please click the link below. Again, be sure to like and subscribe.